Welcome all. In the last video, we have seen the concept of Thevenin theorem. So according to concept of Thevenin theorem, a big circuit is replaced by one voltage source VTH in series with one resistance RTH. Let's see one example. So determine the Thevenin equivalent circuit shown in figure as seen by a 5 ohm resistor. So we were looking from this 5 ohm resistor, and for this portion of the circuit we have to determine the Thevenin equivalent. That means one voltage source VTH in series with one resistance RTH. Then calculate the current flowing through the 5 ohm resistor. After that, once we get VTH RTH, we will connect this 5 ohm resistor and determine the current flowing through this 5 ohm resistor. Okay. So what is VTH? VTH is nothing but open circuit voltage. So open circuit means 0 ampere current. 0 ampere current means the voltage drop across this resistance is 0 volt. Now as the voltage drop is 0 volt, so this positive terminal of VTH will come over here. So here is VTH with respect to ground. This negative terminal will come over here. So this is the VTH with respect to ground. Now for finding VTH, you can use nodal equation over here. So assume this node is at higher potential. So this current is the leaving current. This current is also leaving, but this 4 ampere is in the opposite direction. So this current will be minus 4 ampere. So this branch current will be minus 4 ampere because this 5 ampere current is the incoming current. So both are in opposite direction. So this current is minus 4 ampere. So just use the nodal equation at this node. So assume this node is at higher potential. Sum of leaving current equal to 0. Okay. So VTH minus 0. Nodal equation will be VTH minus 0 divided by resistance is 10. And as this is my opposite direction current, so minus 4 equal to 0. And this current I have not considered because this is open circuit terminal current and open circuit current is 0 ampere. That's why I have neglected this current. Okay. So this 4 will go to that side. So VTH minus VTH upon 10 equal to 4. Then cross multiply. So VTH value comes out as 40 volt. 10 into 4, 40. So this is my first answer. Now next I have to determine RTH for this circuit. From when I am looking from this node, from this terminal, I have to determine RTH. So the procedure to determine RTH is turn off the independent source. That means turn off this 4 ampere current source. And turning off current source means open circuit. So make it open circuit. So my circuit will look like this. 10 ohm, 10 ohm. So this 10 ohm are sharing exclusively node. So that means they are connected in series. So RTH value is 10 plus 10, 20 ohm. So RTH comes out as 20 ohm. Okay. So I have replaced, now as you can see, I have replaced that big circuit by one voltage source having value 40 volt VTH and one series resistance RTH having value 20 ohm. After that I have connected that 5 ohm resistor to determine the current flowing through this 5 ohm resistor. Okay. So as current direction is this, so plus minus. Again, this is the current flowing in RTH, so plus minus. Okay. Now I can use one KVL equation to get the value of I. So as I am going from minus to plus, so I will take as it is 40. Now I am going from plus to minus, so I will take minus sign. So minus, voltage will be I into current is I and resistance is 20. So V equal to IR. So 20, I into 20, that means 20I. Then one more, what will be voltage across this 5 ohm? 5 times I equal to 0. Minus 20 minus 5 minus 25I. Okay. So 40 equal to 25I. So I equal to 40 upon 25. The answer comes out as 1.6 ampere. Okay. Now let's see one more example. Using Thevenin theorem, find the equivalent circuit to the left of the terminal AB. So we have to determine the Thevenin equivalent for this portion. Okay. So this is my circuit for finding out VTH. So this current is 0 ampere because it is open circuit over here. So this current is 0. So this VTH will come across this 4 ohm resistance. So here is VTH terminal. Here is the VTH terminal. And this is one more node. The voltage here is unknown because of current source. Voltage here is unknown. I can consider this as VA. Okay. Now apply one nodal equation at node VTH. So leaving current equal to 0. So this is one leaving current, this is one more leaving current. So sum of leaving current equal to 0 by KCL. Then use the Ohm's law. So what will be the value of current in the 6 ohm resistor? VTH minus VA. VTH minus VA divided by resistance is 6 ohm plus VTH minus 0. This is ground terminal. So VTH minus 0. That means VTH upon resistance is 4 equal to 0. So 4 VTH minus 4 VA plus 6 VTH upon 24 equal to 0. That 24 will go to that side, so it becomes 0. So 4 VTH plus 6 VTH, 10 VTH equal to minus 4 VA. By cross multiplication minus 4 VA. So equal to that VA term will go to that side. So 4 VA. Simultaneously you should also solve with me. Okay. So what is the VA value? 10 by 4 is 2.5. So VA equal to 2.5 VTH. 2.5 VTH. So this is my equation number 1. So this I can give the equation number 1. Okay. So next, the nodal equation over due to this node. So VA sum of leaving current equal to 0, and this node is at higher potential. So what will be this current? So VA minus 12 divided by resistance. VA minus 12 divided by resistance is 6 plus VA minus VTH divided by 6. So this will be this current value. So VA minus VTH divided by 6 plus, okay, the incoming current. So this will be minus 2 equal to 0. So that minus term will go to that side. So it becomes equal to 2. Okay. So now cross multiply 2 into 6, 12. So VA plus VA minus VTH minus 12 equal to 12. VA plus VA, 2 VA minus VTH minus 12 equal to 12. So this 12 will also go to that side. So 12 plus 12, 24. So 2 VA minus VTH equal to 2 VA minus VTH equal to 24. Use the value of VA. VA is 2.5 VTH. So 2 into 2.5, 5 VTH minus VTH equal to 24. So that becomes 4 VTH equal to 24. So VTH equal to 24 upon 4. 24 upon 4 is 6 volt. So VTH value for the circuit is 6 volt. So this way I got the value of VTH. So 2 times I have applied the nodal equation. One nodal equation over to this node and another nodal equation over to this node. Now for finding RTH, what you have to do? Turn off the independent sources. So voltage source is short circuited, current source is open circuited. So this branch will be removed. So my circuit will look like this. So 12 volt source is short circuited, and here I have removed the current source. So this 6 and 6 are in series. So 6 plus 6, 12, and This node and this node are shared by the 12 ohm resistor and 4 ohm resistor. This node is shared by this 12 ohm resistor and 4 ohm resistor. That means these are two in parallel. So RTH value is 12 parallel 4, and if you solve 12 into 4 divided by 12 plus 4, so value comes out as 3 ohm. So this is the final answer. Okay, thank you.